your girl, Octavia.Darling, and I am back with another YouTube video. So this video is going to be me doing the Loc Knot Bob on my locks. I saw a few YouTube videos of some lock queens accomplishing this style, and I was like, yeah, girl, I need to try it out on her locks. So I'm going to try it out. I'm excited because I have my new colors, so I'm like, you know, I kind of want to switch things up and do different styles. I'm feeling more inspired these days. So I'm going to try it out and we're going to see how it goes. Right now, it's just in a half up, half down style, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the back. Well, I'm going to do a few in the back and maybe show you how I do a few in the back. And then I'm going to come back to you guys when I'm doing the front of my locks. So stay tuned. So I'm gonna start off with sectioning my hair and parting it. Because I actually want to do the asymmetrical loc bob. I think that looks super cute and I've never had a style like, well, let me stop. Because there was this one time when I was going through my wig phases, okay? Your girl needed a protective style, so she had a little bob going on. Yeah. Anyways, so I'm just trying to part my locks now to see how I want them to fall. I'm thinking this should be good because, see, this is going to be for another video, but I don't have that even of parts in my head, so this is probably as far down as I can go to section it off. So this side is going to be shorter, and then this side is where it's going to go like at an angle. Okay, so let me get started. So I have sectioned off my hair to get started. This is how the back is sectioned. Hopefully you can see. So back here, I'm going to do the loc knots to about here, so they're shorter. And then as I get closer to the front, they're going to get longer on this side, but they're going to remain shorter on this side. So for most of this video, you guys are just going to see me doing my locks. I might be playing music or I might be talking over, but I'm just about to tap in and go to work. Not to get off topic, but the other day I was thinking, wow, am I really living a life that I've been dreaming of having for these past few years? Like, you ever get caught up in your everyday life and you forget that you're living the life that you exactly prayed for, what you manifested? I had that moment the other day and I literally just had to say, you know what, Octavia? You're doing a good job, girl. Keep up the good work, because when you speak things over your life and when you write things down and you remember to do your part, you remember to show up for yourself, that's where the greatness comes in. And I'm here to say, like, I am living proof. I'll share my story with you all one day, someday soon, because there's a lot of things that has happened in my life, great things that has happened, and it's all because I simply prayed and manifested on it. Literally, like, I would say, oh my gosh, this is the kind of life I desired to live. And although at the time I wasn't living that life, I acted as though I already had it. And because I acted as though I already had it, it became more realistic to me. It's like I had the vision and I said, no, this is the life that I'm stepping into. So I allowed myself to be open to receive that type of blessing to come to me. You know, sometimes you just got to remember to show up for yourself and just remember, like, just because I don't have something now or I can't really see it now, that does not mean it's not possible. So those thoughts, those feelings, those visions, those hopes, those dreams that you have, write it down. Speak it over your life. And when you speak it over your life, literally listen to what you're saying, you know? Like, don't speak negatively, speak positively. What I like to do is I use my voice memos on my phone because it allows me to go back and listen to what my mood was when I said this, or what my tone of voice was. Like, it allows me to remember the emotional aspect that I was in when I spoke certain things over my life. It reminds me of how down I used to feel, or wow, you was just feeling like this a few months ago, but look at where you're at today. You spoke this over your life. It's so much more easier for me to show up for myself when I see like I'm doing the work. I'm not just here trying and waiting for things to just happen. No, I'm doing my part as well so that I can be in total alignment. But I'm not going to talk you guys' ear off with this. I can go on and on and on, but I'm not going to do that in this video. It was just on my mind, and I just wanted to share that with you all and just see if anyone else ever had that kind of feeling. You just had that moment like, wow, I am living the life that I've always dreamt of having. If so, make sure you comment below. Share your stories with me. I would love to hear them and connect with you on what you did to make that happen. All right. So a couple things here. One, I'm almost done with this side, which is awesome. Oh, this is what I use for my retwists and my edges. I love their products. This is the NappStar Super Hold Retwist Gel for lots of laying down edges. This right here is a game changer. Anyways, I'm finishing the last twist on this side, and there's a few things I noticed. One, I forgot that my hair is already in layers. So, is this a rubber band? Where did rubber band come from? I forgot that my hair is already in layers, so there are going to be a few pieces that are naturally going to be shorter than the others when I knot it at the bottom. That's beyond my control, so I'm not going to force anything. So let me finish this piece and show you. So you can kind of see right here, like these are shorter than the ones at the bottom, but that's okay because we're gonna make it work. So I put my middle finger down. I grab the end with my index and thumb. Then I wrap it around and pull it through the hole. It better work too. There we go. Yeah. And then tomorrow, like once it's all done, I'm gonna tuck this side behind my ear like this, so it's gonna be flatter, but I'm gonna tuck it like this, and you'll see that there's a couple pieces sticking out. Those pieces that's sticking out, I'm either gonna wrap them around again and tuck them, or I'm gonna put a rubber band on them. But I have not needed to put rubber bands on any of these so far. So with these 3 packs of rubber bands that I bought, they'll come into good use someday. Yeah, so now I'm finally going to start with the section that's going to be longer. And hopefully this goes by pretty quickly. Yes, excuse me. See, the rubber band just coming out of nowhere. Yeah, so this section should definitely be longer. Hopefully it stays like this length for the most part down here, so it can be like an asymmetrical kind of feel. But oh, I need some water. Guys, I am tired. Okay, today has been a long, productive day. It is currently 12:21. I'm sorry, 11:21 daylight savings. I need to change my clock, but it's 11:21. I am tired. I have an early call time tomorrow morning for my photo shoot. So I'm really trying to finish my hair as soon as possible. And before I get to the point where I'm like over it, and then I just start doing stuff. Because y'all know how that be. If you don't know, well, now you know. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom through this section here, and then I'll be back with you guys when I finish the last few pieces, and we'll see what the outcome look like. Okay. Last one. It is now 12 o'clock on the dot, y'all. It is 12 o'clock on the dot. Finally doing my last one. Let's get it, Tay. Ooh. I am ready to get in the shower after this. Rest my eyes. And get some rest for tomorrow. That's what I'm ready for. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tuck in these little ends on some of these, and I will insert a picture at the end of this video so that you guys can see the official, should I just wrap that around? The official final result. I have a feeling this is going to look super cute once I get dolled up. Well, it look cute already. I don't need to get dolled up. How about it? Ooh. Okay. Make sure it's nicely separated in the back. Oh, this is cute. This is cute. Why do I always do the peace sign? I guess because I like to send good vibes, but this is super cute. Okay, this is the back. I haven't looked at the back yet, so hopefully it looks good, but this is super cute. I am very impressed with this style, with this being my first time doing a Loc Knot Bob. It didn't give me the asymmetrical vibe that I was really going for, only because once again I forgot that my hair is already layered. So however, I am still highly impressed with the results. I am super motivated to get dolled up tomorrow for my shoot. So these can look, my hair can just be even more popping. So thank you guys for tuning in to this video. I hope that you liked it. So if you did, just make sure you give me a thumbs up. Comment. Look, I'm so tired. Let me start over. Guys, I hope y'all like this video. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with some of your Loc sisters, Loc queens. And as always, I thank you guys for your continuous support, and stay tuned for the next video. Have a good night.